Hi, I'm Ken Sellers with Ritcon Training and Consulting. I'm here today to tell you about our AMRT class, the Applied Microbial Remediation Technician course. I'm an ICRC instructor and I've been teaching for over 20 years. So today we have a limited time only AMRT class, virtual streaming online, along with videos to supplement the hands-on portion of the class. This course is the same quality you would get as if you came to our facility in person. So I just want to assure you that this course will be well worth your time. Again, it's a limited time only. Please call or register online at ritcontraining.com, or you can call Christine at our office.